So here is our question. Using a Venn diagram to calculate the HCF and LCM of 18 and 45. Okay, so the first thing I would suggest with any type of question that you see like this is to list the prime numbers. A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 in itself. So if I can write 2, 3, 5, 7, not 9 because that's a 3 times table. And you've got 13, not 15 because that's the 5 times table. You've got 17, you've got 19, not 21 because that's the 7 times table, and then 23. And I'm just going to stop there, okay? So now if I draw my prime factor trees for 18 and 45, if I can show you, so 18, two numbers that multiply together, well, 6 and 3. 3 is a prime number because look, it's there. And then 6 isn't, so 2 and 3. And I circle them, okay? And I do the same thing for 45. So you'll have 9 and 5. 5 is a prime number. And for 9, you'll have 3 and 3, which are also prime numbers, okay? So we'll move the page down. So you've got 18. So you've got 18 here. And what I'm going to do is, if you look, I'm going to write the numbers in order of their size. So I'm going to put 2 times 3 times 3, like this. And this can be written in index form. And sometimes the exam will ask you this question. If you look, 3, and how many 2s are there? How many 3s are there? 1, 2. Put a little 2 in the corner. Done. Right, next one, 45. So 45 equals, well, 3, 3, 5. So 3 times 3 times 5. And again, this can be written as 3 squared times 5. Okay, I'm going to move the page down there, and so now it's time for the juicy bit. We're going to draw the Venn diagram. So what we're going to do is 2 circles that overlap each other. There's my first circle, and there's my second one. Okay, so I'm going to put 18 over here, and I'm going to put 45 over there. And the numbers you're going to put in the center are those that are common. Okay. This is going to be what's common for both sides, okay? So if I can show you, focus your attention on this bit over here. I've put a brown box around them. So if you look, 2 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 5. And if you look carefully at the numbers that are there, what I want you to do is put a line through the numbers that are common. Well, you've got a 3 there, you've got a 3 there. So that will go in the center. You've got another 3 there, and you've got another 3 there. That goes there. You've got this 2 left over, which will go in there, and you've got that 5 left over, which will go over here. Okay. Now over here, this will be our highest common factor, where you multiply, and make a note of this if you need, multiply the middle numbers only. And if I do that, I do 3 times 3, which you're all probably saying already is 9. Over here, what I'll do is, let me move the page a bit this way. This will be our lowest common multiple, where you multiply all. Multiply all. So what have you got? You've got 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 times 5 is 90. There we go. You might have beaten me to it. But this is how we do this question. Okay, well done.